Hey guys, as more and more people look for ways to make extra money, side hustles have become a popular way to do so. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 side hustles that have been making people between $700 to $1,000 per day. Yes, that's right, per day. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend, and I'm here to help regular everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools. My goal is to help you earn passive income, stop struggling to make ends meet, ultimately gain the financial freedom you deserve. Before we dive into the 3 side hustles, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos on how to make money online. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing with these side hustles. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now then, the first side hustle is about selling artwork online. Did you know that people are making thousands of dollars a month by selling artwork online? And you don't have to be the next Picasso or Michelangelo to do so. Guys, it's simple, and I'm just letting you know it is very possible because of public domain. There are some artwork out there that you can use which are not exclusive to intellectual property because it has expired, it never applied, or it has been forfeited. Therefore, you need not worry about it. This will work by you searching for photos on public domain websites such as Pexels, Unsplash, or freeimages.com. You only need to go to freeimages.com. You will come over here by this bar and select Fine Art, and you are to type in your topic of interest. You can then go on to sell them on websites like Etsy. Sidebar: did you know that the Mona Lisa is actually a photo that you can use because it's in the public domain, and you can print it on a canvas or post it wherever you choose and make good money from it? Then again, you can search any topic and there are thousands of photos for you to choose from, which are all absolutely free. However, if you don't want to sell photos and pictures, then I have a really hot area for you to look into, and this is selling motivational canvases like this one right here that I found on Etsy. It's really so simple on a black background, and you can so create this for free on camera. They are selling it for $39.75, and this particular seller has received 142 sales from selling these motivational canvases. So let's do the math. 142 sales. This seller has made $5,538. Guys, I'm just trying to show you 3 ways to get started with any of these businesses, and you really need to be confident and take the plunge and get started. Just jump in with both feet, and it will also actually make you some really good money. Even if you're not interested in selling photos, you can still make money by selling motivational canvases like the one I found on Etsy. To simplify the process, you can connect your Etsy store to a print-on-demand company. Every time a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company will print the posters or photos and then ship them to the customer, which means you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping labels. So, the second side hustle involves taking surveys online. Many companies are willing to pay you for your opinion, and you can earn between $50 to $500 per survey. The best part is that you can take surveys from the comfort of your own home, and you can do it anytime you want. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. The third side hustle involves starting a blog. If you have a passion for writing or a specific topic, you can create a blog and make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. While starting a blog requires some upfront effort and investment, the potential for passive income is significant. Some popular blogging platforms include WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. Now then, for this bonus and last side hustle, we are going to step away from the computer for a little bit and set out into the sunlight. This next side hustle has the potential to make you thousands of dollars per month, and some people are even getting $10,000 contracts to do this. So then, I'm talking about delivering medical supplies, and you won't need a CDL license for this, because this is something that most people can do, as it does not require heavy lifting and you don't need a big old truck or a van. The good news is that you can use your own car to do this. However, there are specifications on the age of your vehicle, and you do need to have full coverage insurance. You could make deliveries to Walgreens, pharmacies, or to doctors' surgeries. Now then, as I've said, there are companies that are offering $10,000 contracts for delivery. However, if you prefer to work hourly, they are paying up to $50 an hour. So places that you can look for these contracts and jobs are cbdriver.com and Bungee Driver. They have what is called Dispatch, and they have many more apps and sites. Also, just a little FYI, delivering medical supplies is not the only thing they do. They also have retail delivery should you be interested in doing that. And there are so many good things out there right now. Guys, you just need to get started. I really just want to give you a small variety today to help you along your way on your journey. So, in conclusion, there are many side hustles that can help you make extra money, whether you're selling artwork online, taking surveys, starting a blog, or doing medical delivery driving. There are opportunities for everyone. Remember, the key is to find a side hustle that fits your interests and schedule. With some effort and determination, you can start making extra money online today. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, then please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family who might be interested in making extra money online. So I thank you very much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next. Bye for now.